In this video, I'm going to show you how to check liability totals in Origin Financial. Let's get started. The fastest way to view everything you owe is by going to the Net Worth section from the top navigation. Once you open this page, Origin clearly separates your total assets and total liabilities, giving you a live financial snapshot in one place. Under the Liabilities area, you'll be able to see the combined balance of all connected debts, including credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, mortgage balances, and other outstanding obligations. If you want a more detailed breakdown, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Linked Accounts. This will open the full list of every financial account connected to Origin. Scroll through the list and look specifically at liability accounts to see each current balance individually. This is useful if you want to know exactly which debts are making up your total liability amount. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.